In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer from your Stan Store account. First, make sure you're logged into your Stan Store dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the main sections of your store, like products, analytics, and of course, customers. Go ahead and click on the option labeled Customers. After you click Customers, you'll be taken to a page that lists everyone who has purchased from your store. If you haven't had any sales yet, this list may be empty and you won't have any customers to delete. But if you do see a list of customers, you're in the right place. Take a moment to scan through the list and find the specific customer you want to remove. You can use any search or filter options available on the page to make this faster, especially if you have a lot of entries. Once you've located the customer you want to delete, click on their name to open their customer information page. This page usually shows details like their contact information, purchase history, and any other data associated with their account in your store. It's a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct person, because deleting a customer is typically permanent and may remove their data from your dashboard. Now, look toward the right side of the customer's name at the top of this page. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This icon usually indicates more options or actions you can take for this specific customer. Click on those 3 dots. When you do, a small drop-down menu will appear with several options. From the drop-down, select the option that says Delete Customer. As soon as you click that, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Stan Store's way of making sure you don't remove a customer by accident. The pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to delete this customer. Take a second to confirm you've chosen the right person, and remember that once deleted, you may not be able to easily restore their information. If you're certain, click on Delete Customer in the pop-up. After you confirm, the customer will be removed from your list, and they should no longer appear in your customer section. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a customer from your Stan Store.